Think I'm audible. Let me just check. Uh, I'm audible as well. There are things that I need to do on today's stream is it's 9th April. Okay. Things I need to do on today's stream is this one. Let's just try to deploy our app. Yesterday when we tried to deploy it, things errors will make it good when we let's say like this error is going to come when everything's done. There's another thing that I want to do is the source main resource this API and here inside this I think has to be a file that is gonna say something like not a new project API new RAML or API specification open API RAML open API RAML open API RAML. Which one do I choose? Okay, let's do RAML. In next project, I will do OpenAPI. Okay, RAML 1.0. Yeah, file name here. Let me just put a file name here. Okay, let me check if I am audible or not. Okay, I am. Then it is gonna be drift.raml. File name gonna be drift. Okay, finish. Drift.raml. Got it. Version, your title. Drift section system. Okay, copy this. I will rename it. Rename. Okay. Detector system. Okay. Got it. So it is changed. Everything is there now. Okay. Test.xml. I will. I need to change everywhere. Like it is not test. It is listener. It is drift. Rest drift. Path is also drift now. Okay. Everything is done. I don't think anything else we need to check here. Uh, refactor, rename. Okay. Text drift XML. Okay. Uh, so press the sources API drift.raml. We have RAML here. Let me just I'll just make a RAML in design center and after that we'll move forward. Anypoint exchange, anypoint designer. This is Toku 01. Let me just do source with this one. If anybody just want to talk to me or like need a help in something, they can just ping me here. This is my LinkedIn. Anybody can just send me a request. I'll be happy to talk. And regarding this is my repository. If you want to just connect to me and like uh, work with me, okay, nothing fancy. Like here everything is good. API design did not load up. Right as part of the B project get started. Basically, such as images on the new tab page, push and more. Rewards also that you support content created by letting you send bad contribution to your favorite site. Make tag and what two ads look like. You can choose which ones you like to see images that can do with BAT. Almost any BAT can be exchanged for many different currencies, both fiat and crypto. You can use BAT to contribute to websites and content creators you love. You can store and swap BAT like any other crypto asset in a crypto wallet and use BAT to buy NFT. Make an app purchase various Web3 apps. Oh, we'll work on this later. First, we need to. Okay, got it. Let's move on to design center. Okay, create a new API specification. Project name is drift.raml. Yeah, drift.raml. Uh, rename. Okay, I'll just do what remove with this one. Now, what I need to like go with I don't know what types. I don't need types. I'll just go through slash drift. Okay, here we need a get uh description is gonna be get request to get request to check if drift is there or not. ठीक है description get के बाद हमें चाहिए body. Body is gonna be application slash JSON and it is the application slash JSON is, and I'll just type it here. Uh, okay, okay, this one I think. Okay, I'll just do tab. Price, or JSON. Hi bro, hi. So what is your name? Sarle. Sarle. Hello bro, how are you? If you want to connect with me, you can just send me a request on LinkedIn. We can talk there, or if you want to talk, we can talk here as well. If you need any help, you can just if you want to know something more about this channel, you can just browse it, subscribe, and please like this stream if you want support me. Or thank you. Applications like JSON. Or here I need to do example. Okay. Dev. Okay. I think this is the only thing that we need. I think it is not gonna be get. It is gonna be a post method here. Okay. Uh, Post method here. And after this, we need another method, I think. Nah, no, we don't need any other method. Example, body, body, uh, fonts is gonna be 200. Body, applications like JSON, uh, that, I think this gonna be good thing. And all code, I think. Post and I am here. Let me just make a sample RAML that I'm gonna make here. Or let me just create the root and get it. Let's just the marks and give you the reality so you can actually change integration and test a new fake hard drive. You need a RAML project that uses real folder and cool mesh. The thing is first comment. Create the root file. File is this. Uh, then the type and new folder name it types. I'll make a new folder here. Types. Types is other types would create a new file name patient or ramen. New file this in Inside the example folder, create a new file named patient association. New folder here. Patients. Create a folder named example. Examples, patients and every instance of sector dot JSON. Write extension for selected type. And uh, file name. folder के अंदर हम न्यू फाइल बना रहे हैं. न्यू फाइल बना रहे हैं. स्पेसिफिकेशन नहीं. डेटा टाइप ही दे दूं क्या? The version or not it first change to version and the trigger removal from publish version root one. Just to exchange, and once we have it, we'll check it. Okay. Publish to exchange. Publish to exchange. Oh, oh. Okay, drift.raml, we have drift.raml and chain conformance status API instances. We have here exchange assets, mocking API, change API v2, exchange assets, group ID, API name, API version, group ID, API name, API name, API name or version, on. We'll check error at the end of the day. We don't check error. Authorization. Let me just put it here. Okay. And mule or mules dot examples. I don't know after assets. I think I need to copy this. After assets, I need to copy this till here. Close the after assets. I need to copy this from here. Send a request. Acceptable error. The part. Now we have a stable version around it. So if this is oh, okay, let me just make it first. Drift, and now let's put this group ID. And this is group ID. Here is the asset ID. Here is the asset ID. Drift travel 1.00. 1.00. Send a request. Method order of endpoint get push post method order of endpoint drift. I think this is gonna work. There's no new version to compare. Great. There is no new version to compare. And as we see in our MySQL, let me just open it and let's run some command. Then we can just find it. If okay, use script first. Select star from eBay schemas. Okay, here we have drift.ml and we have three files around it. And let's do some drifting and we'll find it if our program is working or not. So for that, let me just ask Gemini, can you do drift provide me a drift version of above above given patient .raml ml patient raml so I can check it using my program. Also give me expected output as well. Okay, let's just share it this and we'll check if it is working or not. Wait, go and make some specifically and the file triggered four different schema rules in our Java engine. Field I deleted name, class change, exchange, date of birth, over the old version design center published version 1.0.2 types object and types object and patient.raml properties ID and date of birth emergency insurance valid 1.0.2. Okay, I think that's it. Hopefully it has to. Hopefully it will. If it doesn't, then general process cancel. We have a file example record property emergency contact. Should have required property emergency contact. Okay. Example value for schema inside an API. Okay. Yeah, maybe it will take some time, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds to reflect here, and after that maybe this will work. Okay, we have a new version here. Send another request. How still there is a new version 1.0.0. Okay, okay. Bulk is a dog name. Institution. Okay. Make file name unique. Yeah. That's why it is not able to push another test patient RAML with a new version. Okay, maybe I should make version unique. Uh, maybe I should make um maybe yeah, maybe I should make um this version unique. So files can be copied, but versions can't. Okay. This version part makes more sense. Uh, truncate table API schema. I can't do that as I need 1.0.0. Uh, how to truncate? Nah. How to remove? Sorry, Nutrobo. Sorry, I did not seen the message here. Uh, I just forgot to see screen that you are messaging. Sorry. So I am making a drift detection system here that consists of three main things that are front end using Svelte and middleware using MuleSoft and the other stuff. Sorry, I did not know, not able to look when things are there. How to remove unique key property from MySQL column. And remove unique key I will do that. Oh, version. Okay. And a new row. Sorry, I did not seen it. Unique key property from a column as you need to put the unique index associated with that column. You have a data column syntax to remove unique. Instead, you must drop the index. Find the unique show indexes from. Have we have indexes here and uh thank you Nutrobo for commenting. Index name key name primary ITX. There's some index name art and file name is unique index. API name is also gonna be duplicate. File name is also gonna be RAML content is okay. And if I do let them by file name have a count, okay. If I just let them be there without a unique key, they will there will be like duplicate values and our code is gonna be flooded. Okay, so I need to solve this problem. I need to write. Let me write it. Let let यार मैं जब काम करने बैठता हूँ तभी सारे अपडेट सब कुछ फटता है यहाँ पे. Right. Find a logic so I can stop duplicate values, duplicate. से काम करना चाहिए तो एक बार मैं रिक्वेस्ट भेज के देखता हूँ. फिर file. We have started fetching previous RAML version. where's वेरिएबल देखने में इंटरेस्ट है मेरे को. पीआई वर्जन ये हो गया और एपी नेम ये हो गया. इसके बाद जो यहाँ आए तो यहाँ पे वेरिएबल देखना तो मेरे को ओल्ड वर्जन 1.0.0 कैसे एपीआई वर्जन जो है ना ओल्ड वर्जन तो ओल्ड वर्जन से निकालना चाहिए था. नहीं इससे निकालना चाहिए था ओल्ड वर्जन. My name my doesn't what are the values for these two. Check what are the values for a payload plug file content file API name API version file name. Correct. Here I need to check what are like best.api version av where API version is equals to av order by fetch that design. Let me just check what this command do. One point zero point zero. Okay. This is 1.0.0. Or if I just do 1.0.1, what will we get? Okay, so the query is wrong. Here to really blame for is query as I made it, so I am also culprit. But I will just use this where API name is your prayer. Then according to it, then not using API version okay because when it shows new one, then we can't do anything about it. We need to fix this as well. Okay, what can follow? Fix this previous version, previous version, rather than this bullshit, than the bullshit that we are getting now. we are think more what I need to do. I need to file. I need to okay, how to export this? I need server. Backup code chain. Inside backup code chain, I have data. Nah. I don't think I have. What I will do, I will. This Saturday, I will streamline is this. Until then, I don't know what I will do. Okay, so it is around 1 hour. So thank you everyone who has joined, and uh, we'll meet tomorrow. I will try to solve both problem tomorrow, and we'll meet there. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you everyone.